Today on Project Shop, we're picking up some new welding tables. Paid 150 bucks for both of these. They're 1/2 inch thick steel plate. I'm gonna keep one. My buddy's gonna keep one at his welding shop. Need a little bit of cleaning up, but these things are nice. Super heavy duty. That was dangerous. Scrap welding tables. Paid 150 bucks for two of these. They're literally 4x8, each a 1/2 inch steel plate. God knows how much that would be to buy. See that? 1/2 inch. Completely, well, it's missing a piece down there, but completely boxed in frame. And then we got two of them. These things are super heavy. 150 bucks, you can't beat that.